कलर सीखते हैं. Let's learn some colors. Brown color, pink color, dark green color, violet color, sky blue color, yellow color, dark blue color, orange color, purple color, black color, light green color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Black color, heptagon, triangle, circle, semicircle, pentagon, square. Let's color these 2D shapes. Orange color, orange color, heptagon. Pink color, pink color, triangle. Light green color, light green color, circle. Red color, red color, semicircle. Violet color, violet color, pentagon. Brown color, brown color, square. Let's revise these shapes. प्यारे बच्चों, आइए रिवाइज करते हैं. हेप्टागन, ट्राइंगल, सर्कल, सेमी सर्कल, पेंटागन, स्क्वायर. आप इस तरह प्रैक्टिस करें. Do the same practice. Like the video, share it, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.